Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today. Yes, war day number 595. 595 days ago, the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in Ukraine, but also in Israel. Yes, a couple of days ago, the war started there. Everywhere is war. Well, let me continue with the puzzles then. In today's newspaper on Wednesday, yes, Wednesday, October the 11th, 2023, two regular puzzles, the Medium Sudoku and the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block, in Japanese, Suguru. And in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku, 2 stars, 0 stars, 4 stars Sudoku. Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, with 4 stars and with 1 star, and in Dutch they call it Cypher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. In these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only half of them I will solve. Yeah, the first regular puzzle I will do is a medium Sudoku number 7250. 7250. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. A lot of 7s, 4 7s. We have a 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 place level 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there, 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only place level 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 place left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 place left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the last row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, 7 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. We see another 7 in that column, so no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, number 7. All right. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 9 in this column. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. We have a 9 in the row below, so no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in this column should be there. Alright, 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So the row above, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2, 2. 2, 2. Well, no. We already have a 2 here. 2, 2. 2. 2, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 in these 2 boxes. Yeah, 2 in the third column. No 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this first column. 2 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the last row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now in the first row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 2. All right. And now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in the last column. So no 6 in these 2 boxes in this big square. We have a 6 in the third row. So no 6 in those 2 boxes in this big square. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 6. Should be here. 6 in the third row. 6 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in the first column. So no 6 there. 6 should be there. Oh, apologies. Bumped the camera. Alright. Let me see. 6 in the last row. 6 in the row above. From that row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be there. 6 in this column. 6 in that column. So the column 3 in the middle column. The only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row. 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. 4, 8, 5, 4, 8, 5. Well, let me see. How about 5, 5. I'm thinking 5, 5. Okay. But 3 then, 3, 3, 3, 3. Okay, 3, 3. 3 and number 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 5. We have 3 and 5 in this column. So no 3 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 3 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 3 and 5, 3 and a 5. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 9 is missing. Alright. 1, 4, 8. 1, 4, 8. 9, 9. Still thinking. Come on. 8, 8. Yeah. 8. These 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, 4, 5, 8, 4, 5, 8. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing, the 2 and 3 is missing, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those. Alright. And we have also a 3. 9. Need a 4. Need a 1 also here. Alright. Okay, need a 8 here. Need a 8 there. 8, 3, 5. Let me think. These 3 missing numbers in this row are the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. So the other 3 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 5, 8, 9. 5, 8, 9. All right. Yeah. Still thinking. 5, 5, 5. 5, 8, 1. Yeah. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. Same for the 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. Together with the 1, we have a pair. 1 in the 9, 1 in the 9. We have a 9 in the second column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now in the second column, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 2 missing numbers now here in this second column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. So the other 2 numbers in this big square are numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Alright. 9, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in the third column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. And 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 1 box left in the first row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here should be also 1 and 8. Okay, then I need a 4 here. 4, 8, and 5. Need a 5 here. And I need a 3 here. Yeah. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for 3. Could be here, could be there. 5 in this column, first column, 5 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places left for the 5. Could be here, could be there. 3, 3, 3. Come on. 5, 8, 9. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the last column. So the column between, only place left for the 9 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 5 and 8. Okay, let me place the 9, 5 and the 8. We have an 8 in this column, so no 8. We have a 5 in the last column, so no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 5, 5, okay. 8, 8. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in the last column, so no 8 in this box. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the third row. So this box can be 8 and more. That box should be an 8, and this box should be a 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Let me mark those. 4 and the 8. So we have a 1 in this column, last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. So the 4 and the 8 are left in this column. 4 and 8, we have 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 4 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the second column. In this column. So no 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. 3 in this column. 3 in the column next. So last column, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 6, 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the last row. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 5 goes there. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 in the last row. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. We've marked those two boxes earlier with a 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the first column for numbers 4 and 8. 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finish in 15 minutes. Well, we solve it again. We solve it again. Definitely a 1 or 2 stars. Yeah, I'm not faster than 50 minutes. And I've enjoyed this puzzle. And I like this one. If you are interested and you like this video, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the second puzzle, the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.